In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Ink 3 Gpen in Krita. Ink 3 Gpen is a brush in Krita designed for creating smooth, expressive, and clean ink lines. It's great for line art, outlines, comics, and detailed illustrations that need strong and polished strokes. Open the Brush Presets docker, search for Ink 3 Gpen and select it. Start drawing with smooth, controlled strokes to create clear outlines and detailed line work. Use this brush to refine sketches, define shapes, and add depth to your artwork with clean inked lines. For better results, keep your strokes steady and vary your line thickness naturally while drawing. This helps create more dynamic and expressive line work. Adjust the brush size depending on the style of your drawing. Use smaller sizes for fine details and thinner lines, and increase the size for thicker outlines and stronger strokes. Ink 3 Gpen is a great choice for creating professional-looking ink work with smooth lines, detailed edges, and a clean finish in Krita. And that's how to use Ink 3 Gpen in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.